Oh, nasa TV na ba ako? Hi, fans. Ay, sorry. Hi, VJ Marl and VJ Mike. The two of you are very sweet, huh? Like me. What joke? Me not joking, huh? Oh, I love it. I love it. Champ is so cute. I mean, Champ is so good. Ah, yes. But you know, she's just gaya-gaya me. Well, you know, I like the message of the song. And the setting of the video was very nice. Aba, dapat lang, ha? Nessie, I like that. Very good question, very good question. This is for all the binatillos. Hey! All you Torpe boys. I repeat, all you Torpe boys. You watch this video. Don't be torpe. Okay? Wait. You have many questions, huh? There's no more time. Okay, I would like to thank Biggs, BJ Mara, BJ Mike. I would also like to thank Pangilinan Funeral Services for my hair and makeup, Dr. Vicky Kalayan, Salon de Baluga, and a lot more. Thank you very much.